He then shrinks down in size and enters Peter's member, which apparently feels great. That is, until Termite sneezes, accidentally enlarges, and explodes out of Peter's lower half. Over-the-top sexual, immediately into brutal violence made this one of the most memorable WTF moments of the whole show. After Butcher's able to threaten former Vought scientist Jonah Vogelbaum into testifying against them before Congress, it looks like the boys are finally gonna get a win. But before Vogelbaum can, his head and those of several others start popping like balloons. Even in the moment, we didn't know what to make of it. But the reveal in the season finale that it was the work of Secret Soup, Congresswoman Newman, had us dying for season 3.